Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's episode of Cook With Him, we are going to make Paneer Frankie. The ingredients we are going to require for making Paneer Frankie: 1 cup tomato puree, paneer cubes, 3 medium-sized chopped onions, 2 tablespoons garam masala, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, 1 diced capsicum, 1 cup all refined flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, half tablespoon mango powder, 2 chopped chilies. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of all refined flour, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half cup of water in parts. Using your hand, begin to knead the flour. First you can add 1/4 cup of water and add the remaining required amount of water later. Knead to a smooth soft dough. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil and cover the dough with a cloth and keep aside for it to rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 3 chopped onions. Using a wooden spoon, saute the chopped onions. Also add half tablespoon of salt for quick softening of onions. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until onions turn golden brown. Further add 2 chopped chilies, 1.5 tablespoon red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon garam masala, 1.5 tablespoon cumin powder and coriander powder. Saute everything well on low-medium heat or till the spices turn aromatic. Next add 1 cup of fresh tomato puree and saute well. To prepare tomato puree, blend 3 ripened tomatoes to a smooth paste. Saute until the oil separates from tomato paste. Further add 3 tablespoons of water and mix well. Then add 1 diced capsicum, paneer cubes 1 cup. Saute on low flame or till the capsicum turns partially softened. Add some more salt to balance the taste. Cook and simmer for 4 minutes. The paneer stuffing is ready now. After 30 minutes, pull out some amount of dough into a small sized ball. This depends on the size of the wrap you want to make. Dust dough ball with some flour and press it a bit evenly. Then using a rolling bean, gently roll to a thin roti. The roti should not be thick. If required while rolling, you can add some more flour to it, in case if it sticks to the rolling bean. And here our rolled roti is ready. Follow the same process for the remaining dough. Roll few more rotis. Make a firm straight stroke, putting a little more pressure near the circumference than the center. Once done, transfer them to a plate. Place the roti on hot tawa. Cook the base for 15 to 20 seconds on both the sides. Do note that the tawa should be hot or the rotis will become like papad. Cook on medium-high to high flame. Cook till the rotis have some golden blisters on them. Spread some oil if needed. Keep the roti in a roti basket or warm casserole. In a small bowl, add red chili powder, cumin powder, chaat masala, amchur powder or dry mango powder and coriander powder. Mix well with a spoon and a Frankie spice mix is ready. On the wrap, spread some mint coriander chutney, prepared paneer stuffing. Also place some salad over it. Sprinkle prepared Frankie masala. Also grate some cheese uniformly. Now roll the wrap tightly without allowing the stuffing to come out. And here our paneer Frankie is ready. Do the same with other wraps as well. Just to enhance the taste of the stuffing, you can also squeeze some lemon to it. And the salad mostly consists of onion, tomato and cabbage. Wrap it well and serve it hot. You can serve the paneer Frankie as an evening snack or a brunch. It's super delicious and do give it a try at your home. You will love it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.